हेलो गाइस। कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? काफ़ी लोग ऑनलाइन ऑलरेडी हैं। थोड़ा सा डिले हो रहा है एक्चुअली। मैं कुछ डेटा फिक्स कर रहा हूँ। जस्ट वेट फॉर फ्यू मिनट एक्चुअली, सो काइंडली वेट। कोई ग्रुप में, मैं किसी ग्रुप में हूँ तो लोग वहाँ पे गुस्सा हो रहे हैं कि मैंने आई सेंड सम अननेसेसरी डेटा माइग्रेशन लिंक, सो आई डोंट नो हु इज द ओनर ऑफ दैट ग्रुप, व्हाई यू शेयरिंग, is anyone asked to group? I don't know who is there. Okay, so let's start. So guys, first I will give me few more minutes. Who is shouting in this group? Just I'm on some WhatsApp group also. They are asking yes. In which group owner is shouting? Don't know who is owner of this group. T365. I don't know who is that. Okay. So yeah, this is the migration from SQL to D365. So I have the SQL server ready, but I forgot to my credential of D365. So just give me few minutes more. Just I log in on my Dataverse. Yes, I write down somewhere. Mhm. Just password दिया. Just give me few more minutes, guys. Actually, I forget my password. So just I try to log in on SQL. Yeah. So meanwhile, you can understood what is the data migration and how it will be running. I think so. Just pass this. Just give me few minutes. It is a live session, I know. So password manage. Password manage. I don't know why anyway. So data migration is a required nowadays. Lot of project migrating from different source to D365. So first we understood why it is a why the data is migrated, because as per my knowledge the other CRM and ERP is taking too much money, and most of system, if you have the console app, on prem, so that you need to migrate in a cloud. So either you will go for Azure side, or either you will use uh, D365. But in majorly project they are using as a backend, or just like I cannot able to tell the name where I am working, because that is the company policy, so I cannot able to share that. But most of places for customer service they are using, and whatever the bank, all bank using the CRM. So guys, if you compare the rate also with the uh, other CRM, that is a very as compared to the others, D365 is a very good rate as I compare with the rate. So today I will tell how to set up the uh, Kingsway software. I migrate data using the Kingsway software. So there is a so from step by step I will share the all things, and you need to do with me also in live classes. There is a nothing like that recorded, and nothing I have done before that. I have already done the setup, so whole setup is going to live now. And if you like it, or you can share your circle who want to learn the data migration, guys. So, and it will be end after this. No recording session will be provided by me. So kindly share in your friend circle or junior seniors if they want to learn uh, data migration, because I will tell from scratch to end, and there will be nothing I have set up. I need to set up the all thing from scratch. How to set up the things, how can you can work on that, and I also provide a dummy database for you, so you can run until the live session is running with me. So just I'm updating some of the, I have one old database also available in हिंदी. हाँ, हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द गाइज आई एम नॉट श्योर कि फ्रॉम दे आर बिलोंगिंग. सो हाँ, हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी थोड़ा बहुत बोलता रहूंगा, ठीक है, कोई नहीं. तो जो भी लोग हैं शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, क्योंकि डेटा माइग्रेशन का आप कहीं पे भी देखेंगे कोई लेक्चर नहीं है. तो एक मिनट में ग्रुप व्हाट्सएप पे भी शेयर कर देता हूँ अपने स्टेटस पर, क्योंकि स्टेटस पे मैं डालता नहीं हूँ वैसे ज़्यादातर चीज़ें. ओके गाइस, सो just give me few minutes. Actually, I need to update some my database. After that, I will give to you this database. After that, you can do anything. You can also set up the. Meanwhile, you can download the MS SQL. So you will be with me in every step by step, right? So meanwhile, you can download. I will share the link here, or install in your uh, laptop. MS SQL download. I'm sharing the link here in chat. So meanwhile, you can download this and install in a proper. It will take some time, I know. So this is a live classes, nothing is recorded. So you need to do with me, then you can know where is the, I mean, problem coming value installing the database and what is the require. And I will also provide one um, um, Google Drive link where you can take my dummy database, and after that you can restore in a SQL. Just give me 1 minute. I need to update few table. Actually, this is the customer date. I mean my database. So I have just 1 minute. Which table I need to use? Still have user. And one user is very less. Not user profile. Then user, I need to check with user. Product order will enter TVL order. I need to update some contact detail actually. So just I'm updating that. After that, I will make this upload on table. After that, you can run from your side also the query. No user, कोई यूजर ही नहीं है इसमें. चलो ठीक है, फिर कहीं यूजर ना हो और तो कुछ, आई मीन if there is a user profile. 1 minute, I need to check some table only. User, 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 user. Okay, guys. So anyway, I will say. So meanwhile, you can install the SQL on your machine. Meanwhile, I will upload my database and I will share the link to you. Just I am uploading the database. After that, I will give you the link also. So I will down need backup for this database. Backup. Okay, guys. So I am sharing my 1 minute. Meanwhile, you can download the MS SQL and up which one need to. Okay, so somebody asking which 2022 version you can download. You can download and you will run the whole step with me. Whatever I am doing, I will share with you. So meanwhile, you will install the developer. Developer you can download. There is nothing like that on prem. Yeah, yes. You can download the developer version. Okay. So you will do with me. Otherwise, learning is database learning. Migration will not work. If I give the simple video, that will not work. You do with me, then you know okay, where the issue is coming and how you need to solve the issue. I am not pre-recorded any session. I just install the SQL in front of you and nothing like that. Just I'm uploading the database on my Google Drive. After that, I will give the link to you. You can download and restore. If you don't know how to restore, I will tell you. Just I need to create the backup for this backup. Okay, backup. Okay, so this is my location, right? E drive 100 is this. Hmm, just give me 1 minute actually. नंबर क्या है इसका यार 2017 का डेटाबेस है ई ड्राइव ई ड्राइव ई ड्राइव ई ड्राइव ई ड्राइव 107 2017 का डेटाबेस इसके अंदर कौन सा है 2001 करके 01 पहले आना चाहिए 01 वाला और कौन सा फोल्डर है मेरे पास ओके गाइस तो आई got the database backup. I'm uploading my OneDrive. OneDrive is already full this Gmail. I will use another Gmail where I have some space. So I will upload in this. So meanwhile, you can install the MS SQL, and once I give, you need to restore this. So just give me 1 minute. Actually, I have the multiple accounts, so I don't know which account has. I think in this something. Okay, I have created this account for okay, here I can upload. Upload file. Okay, so guys, it will take some 2 minutes. Uh, after that, I can share the link with you, so you can also start the restore part. Okay, so meanwhile, you can install the SQL server. Once I give the database, you also need to install the Visual Studio also. If you have the Visual Studio, who did not have the Visual Studio, they can install, because whole step I will tell you one by one. Or if I am doing the all thing, and until you are not telling, yeah, I am going in a next step, I will stop here. So at least I think 13% is watching. At least 50% should do with me in all step, right? Nothing like that. After that you can join, or somewhere coming in middle and they can quit. Nothing. So you just meanwhile install the Visual Studio also. If you don't have right now, you install. It will take time. and I will wait with you and giving the whole presentation. I will share the screen also. So meanwhile you will do this thing. So SQL Server or Visual Studio 2022 you can install. I will tell you how to install the Kingspace software after that, and how to download the all connector with SQL and D365. Meanwhile, I will try to log in my in my in my D365 environment. Actually, I have created before that, but that got lost, and I did not save the credentials. So wait for some time. Otherwise, I will create a new environment for you. So I think all of you know how to create a new environment. So there is a nothing I need to tell them. If anybody has the dummy environment, you can share with me. So I will start the meanwhile something. Anybody has the trial account active? Please chat yes or no, something like that. You can respond me. I think nobody has. Anybody has? No. Okay. Good. So I will create a new account meanwhile. Just give me few minutes. Actually, it will take some time. I think you know how to create a trial account on Dynamic 365, right? So I will share the link. If you don't have, you can also create with me all thing. So you know how to create the table and how to, I mean, how to create the entity. I know you are no, but while we are migrating the data, how to, you need to do all these things. I forget here. Okay, I have one email. I will create dummy. Okay, so meanwhile, I think database is upload. I think okay, yeah. So database will be uploaded. I will share the link. You can download from your side and restore the database. Recent file and share. So how to share? Okay, share. Okay, so copy. I will share in this chat box. So meanwhile. Trial is asking for credit card. Yeah, yeah, that will always ask. So you can take someone credit card or put the detail there, and I will share the database link here from my Gmail. You can first you need to install the uh, SQL. After that, you can download from here and restore. In front of 14% is watching this live, so at least 7 should to work with me. I will wait until I did not start anything. If you are watching live, you if you want to do, then you can see the live. Otherwise, you can quit. There is a nothing issue from my side. So, guys, are you install the things or not? First, you tell me, or how many are doing asking permission. Okay, you can request the permission. I will give the permission. Yeah, good. Thanks. Okay, so it's asking the permission. 1 minute. I think I did not. Permission. How it is asking the permission? Yeah. File. How to do share? Share. If the permission is 1 minute, because then how can I share with you this database? 1 minute. I need to check then. It's open to all. Share. Permission request is not coming. You can request me the I mean uh, if that is asking the permission, then you can request me. Might be I will give you. Otherwise how to give the permission? Everyone share. Share permission is not asking. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is a restricted, so I will give to anybody can download the link. I will share the screen in front of you now. I have request to I have request. No, no. Actually, that by mistake I did not give the permission. Now I am giving the permission. Just wait for 1 minute for everyone, so you can uh, download the things. Now you can try. Now you can try. Now I have given the full permission to you. And who is watching this video, kindly do the all step because nothing will be recorded here. And I'm not, after this video, I will delete this video. And also side by side, you can install the Visual Studio because both thing is required. Download the back file. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can download this, yeah. Environment should to be ready. Just give me, I will create a trial account meanwhile. 365 sales. Right. Just give me 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I will create the account and share with you guys so you can also do the things with me also, right? Download the back file. Yeah. Now, if you have the download the file, now you need to restore the file. I think most of you know how to restore the database. Or should I share my screen? Okay, I will share my screen right now so you can understood. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I will close the other things. Entire screen I will share with you. Then you can. Yes, yes, yes. Just 1 minute. You can able to see my screen, right? Actually, that is showing the multiple. Okay. So you need to go here in SQL and you can this is the my database name which I have shared in Google Drive. You just go after the installing here. You need to restore database, right? So here you can choose the file from the device. So once you choose the file, then it will be restore the database. So this part you need to do. First you install the SQL. After that you restore the database. I am waiting for your response. At least 2 to 3% should to response me. Okay. Meanwhile, I will create a trial account. Just give me 2 minutes. After that, I will sh- again coming again share my screen. Okay. So just give me 1 minute more. लाइट अच्छी नहीं है मेरे आई मीन मेरे रूम में लाइट अच्छी नहीं है तो थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा हूँ कोई बात नहीं एनीवे वो जस्ट Guys, you have installed the MS SQL or still waiting? Because I am waiting for your response. At least 2 to 3% should to be coming on same track. You should to download the, install the MS SQL and Visual Studio, and after that I will tell the step in front of you. I will share. Otherwise, it's and you will do with me all these things. Okay. I will share the also link Visual Studio VS VS 2020 download. 26 आ गया. ओ माय गॉड, ये तो मुझे अभी पता चला. 26. ओके. 22. Okay, so you can download this also. I need to create the trial account. Just give me 1 minute. Primary email ID. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 person is requested. Okay, good. Just 1 minute. You can share with your friends also if they want to learn. I also need to share in multiple group. CRM. Most of anyway. Leave that. Who want to come? Focus on clarity. Set the new account. Yes. Okay. Set up account. India. India. Okay. I want to create a password. Okay. So, okay, I can see the password. Okay. Password is wrong actually. Okay. So I will save this password again. I will forget. India. Data migration, data migration. Data migration is not available. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Right. I need to enter my payment detail, my card actually. So just give me 2 more minutes. Okay. So I need to put landmark. Let's see. UP, 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 Uttar Pradesh. Hmm. Okay, use this address. PAN card. I think we can able to create a user also, right? So I will check if I can able to create a user or not. After that, I will share with you the things. But I think you can create your own trial account. दोस्तों ब्रेक वगैरह अगर लेना तो आप लोग बता सकते हैं जब भी ब्रेक, क्योंकि ये क्लास लंबी चलने वाली है. आई मीन इट टेक longer time, right? So we will take the break around 8 8:30, right? 1 minute. Meanwhile, I need to your account under review. We do not affect the brand new product service. Oh, they have changed something. Guys, there is some issue is coming, and while I'm creating the trial account, if anybody know how to resolve it, you can tell me. I'm sharing my screen. Share, share, share. Great. So I will share my screen to all of you, and you let me know if anybody facing such type of issue before that or not, because I um, never seen such type of issue before that. So you can see my screen, right? I hope. This issue I'm getting, your account is under review. This I did not seen before. Hmm, I don't know why it's coming like that. Your organization mission mandatory registration. Hmm, I don't know. Something is wrong. I think we need to create a proper way. Nothing like something dummy I can create. So let's. I will try to find it. This is the issue actually. If anyone has the trial account or already created, then you can share with me. Like anybody has, I'm stopping my screen. I have created with Office. I do. Office. Yeah, that will work actually. I think for personal reason, are you using now? But don't use it. Don't share it here actually. Otherwise, because that is a your official mail ID, na? So I don't want to take any information. I'm going to do this account. Let me try to fix this. About I think they are required the proper address, and I put some random address. I thought that they will not check. Now I cannot able to use the other phone number, or either you, anyone can create a trial account and share with me. That you can use for your personal reason. Hmm, then how can I continue this session? Because until the we did not have a account, trial account. I have created, but the password I have forgot. Forgot. Just 1 minute. I will try to log in with another password. Password should to be saved automatically somewhere. Hmm, I need to check in Google. Password manager, something like yeah, Microsoft. This is the okay. Password I think I created the same thing. That guy. Let's go try something. See. Let's okay, guys. Yeah, that will. I think I go in what this call Google Chrome setting, and there will be password method. So I found okay. That's good. Okay. So let we will continue the session. So guys, so now who has installed the database, right? If you see the database, I will share my screen to in front of you, and just give me 2 minutes. I take the break, right? After that, I will come. Meanwhile, you can take the also the break, guys. Just for 5 minutes, we will back again. Okay, guys. So just you can also do the whatever the you need to do. We will take the 5 minute break. I will switch off the camera. Guys who want to drop, there is a nothing issue from my side. It will take long time. It's nothing is pre-setup I have done. Okay, I'm not uh, done the setup before that. You need to do with me. Other, if you cannot able to do, you can drop. There's no issue from my side. Yes, guys. So I got my active. I need to add a new account. So my account is added successfully. Okay, yeah. So now is part done. 93 OTP coming. Okay, guys. So done. Okay, so guys, you have installed the SQL. Who is the 5% or 3% watching this? They have installed and restore the database. 1% is restore the database actually. Other I'm not sure how they will do. Return to return to. Okay. So I will create a dummy environment. I think you know all these things, right? Or should I share my screen to you guys? Just give me one more minute. Um, created. So how many you have restored the database, guys? Nobody? Just for betting. Okay, guys. So I will share my screen to in front of you again, and let's we will create a uh, entire screen. I need to share with you. Okay, it's live stream. Okay, entire screen. Okay, so I will create a new environment. So data migration. Okay, group, we can leave this. Okay, next sales by this. Why is not coming option? Yeah, we require intermediate data. Yeah, sales trial we require. Why is not coming? Something is missing. Hmm. Operations security group. I think we need to add something to the security group. Well, I think it's a mandatory. I think. Okay, so this is a mandatory. Okay, so same, right? Okay, guys. So we will now we will talk the database side. You can able to see my screen, right? So database has the multiple table that's not to understood you, but the main table I will tell 2 and 3, which you can create with me also, right? So this is a actually uh, e-commerce based project I have. So in that we have a product and product variation and order detail and customer address. So customer we did not have too much. So just is a trial account we have, right? All is a trial account. So we need to create a first the environment should to be ready. Right. Camera close. They, so once it's done, then why this is a coming again? No, this is the self service now required self service with the self service. The self service sign up plan is required to successfully complete this process with the self service. I think something backend self service. Nothing like that. No? I am doing something mistake here. Can anybody tell me group, why the group is not coming? I done. Okay, somebody done actually. What is the name? Okay. What is your good name? Who has done? Actually, here the full name is not coming properly. self-service sign up is required to succeed. Default will catch. Environment ID, but we need to create one more, no? Right, guys? Actually, I'm just getting the confused also. Uh, yeah, okay. The Ram, okay, good. See all. We need to create one environment, na? Otherwise, how we will do the sales? Okay, so we will go for the database side, right? So while you install the database, so there is the manage the product. Let start product product. I have main product. Okay, main product table. So inside, how many column we have? Yeah, so there is a lot of product. So we need to migrate these product, right? So we can use the out of the box entity or custom entity, right? So yeah, so here is the brand is coming, right? Brand is coming from the different table. So we will go first, select star from brand brand. I think this is the brand entity. I find brand. I think I have directly into not the. Here's the hard code actually. Okay, so brand inside image we have lot of image we have, right? And okay, brand should to be different entity only. Just give me 1 minute. I'm checking this. Okay, directly I have put it the brand, but according to, yeah, suppose this type of the database you have, right? So you need to create a brand is a separate table entity, or product is a different entity, correct? So we need to create a two entity in a database, right? So we will create this. I have closed, which is the active one we will do. So here the user is coming, right? But that I do the backend, I am not able to create that environment. Data migration, default, nest, security group is not compulsory. I think it's compulsory. If I select none, then what happens? Guys, you see, have you seen this type of error before that, which I'm getting here? I did not see this type of error. Let's see, find the chat GPT. I will find another. Data was unable to create. Yeah, this is something they have changed actually. And do MSCRM and we're looking in capacity showing this web. Let's see, find something if we can able to do. 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 Azure, okay. Ensure that self-service and enable in Azure admin setting. If you are registered, if you are managing, here we need to do this thing. We stuck today. Mhm. 1 minute, I will do the back and check again. Azure. This I don't want actually. This is not. So, training. Make this manage environment. Yes. Group none. Okay. I think group I did not select before that. Otherwise it should to be created. Okay, save. Let's we try to do it should to be created. If I do the all setup before that, then you don't know okay, what the issue is coming. So you can tell me how to fix this. Anybody can help idea for that? Anybody has idea about it? How to fix this issue, which I am getting right now? Because otherwise, how we will create the entity? One I will do something else. Try to do. Anybody is typing? Nothing. Nobody typing. Capacity. Why this contain the capacity? How to fix? If your organization policy do not allow the self-service grouping, you might try to power community with an individual developer as an individual and fully functional environment data. I don't answer. This is a new before that I have created here, guys. I don't know why it's the mask. I think from admin level we need to do something. Guys, so I think we need so meanwhile you will do two things, right? Who is online here? I will stop this sharing first. I need to fix this actually, and meanwhile you also need to do the same thing where I'm at this time, right? And you will create a one dummy one trial instance, Visual Studio, SQL, whatever I have linked shared with you that you need to restore in your database, right? So these things you can do, and I will connect in whenever I have the time, or you can drop me your email ID so I can connect with you, or you can write down my email ID, right? So you can, yeah. So where I send the 1 minute in which email ID I have sent. This is on my email ID. So you can connect, you can send this. Everything is going on. Okay. You can write down my email ID, and once I, can you give me error, error? Okay, I will share with you. Error what I'm getting. I'm not able to create a new account actually. I'm getting this type of error. This is my email ID. So we will. Let I will try to fix this because two-person also joining, right? Meanwhile, you can download. You can take my annual docs, twenty at the rate mail.com. This is my email ID, guys. So you can write down this and send me the message or email. So whenever I start next day, I mean live. So you should have the. I will list down the here what you need to require. One is the VS yes 2022 trial account and MSSQL 2022 and we store my database, right, guys? So these things you need to do uh, with you, right? Because if I'm giving the similarly class or something like that, that will not work out. So you need to do with you all these things, then you know the actual what is the problem coming and how to migrate the data. It's not just like you can see the video just like other. It is not learning. I will tell from scratch to end, but unfortunately I'm not able to do here because my the trial account. One minute, I will clear something environment. hmm. I don't know, some capacity constant, something new for me. Create environment minimum 1 GB, restore this. Hmm. Default we can also able to create, no? I think. Make dot power. Correct, ना? Yeah. Spelling mistake हो सकती है दोस्त. Mm-hmm. Environment should to be created, yeah. That how environment is not able to create. Okay, so here's the solution, right? Okay, create an okay. Let's we will create a um, create my database. Okay. Let's I will do in US actually. Somebody will go. Let's I will create a new database and see how we will do the things. Uh, the same problem is coming. Hmm. And existing we cannot able to use. There's a multiple table, na. Something is happened in this account which I am not aware actually. Table we should to have also, but before that they are required the database. So guys, you can do one thing because it if we solve the issue, so you need to it will take time, I think, right? So meanwhile you can whatever I have listed here the things, VS 2022 and one trial account If you don't have the credit card, you need to take someone else, because if you do the things, then you know the actual things, right? And MS SQL you need to install, and whatever the database I have shared the link, that you need to restore that. So these things you can do, and rest we will connect. And I have also shared my mail ID, right? So you can share me the your contact detail, or whatever, Anil Atos 2020, right? Or 1 minute, I will check actually. Actually, I have multiple accounts. So is the correct email ID? Yes. So is the Anil Atos 2020? Okay. So right account I have given you. So you can send the email, or test mail. So whenever I start again, so I will connect with you guys. But I think today is not good day. Otherwise we can able to do, uh, or if you found the answer of this, right, then we can able to proceed. But database side I will tell meanwhile, right? So this is my uh, my main product table, right? So inside that we have a brand. So brand should to be a different entity in normal. So sometimes we need to migrate such type of a data where the um, mixed type of data which they have an old system, and they want to migrate in a proper way, right? So here is the brand table. So we need to create first brand entity, and we need to migrate the brand data. After that we need to create a lookup inside the product, that I want to show you, and how to do the lookup, and how to um, migrate the data if some product does not have the brand. How to uh, migrate that? If I search here, any product does not have the data. Suppose I have, this is the my brand, right? I go here and I update this. I don't know the go number of whatever the, right? So how to update, I will tell you. Update product table. Update table. Yes, I will find the query for that. Okay. Update command. Update query in SQL, right? So we will go here, and yeah. So table name set column where the condition equal to this, right? So we need to do this. So table I have already, and so my column name is a brand, and what is the brand name? Brand name is the MX, right? So this is the where condition. And we need to set as a null, right? Because this is the real time data migration. Sometime you have the data or not. That will also how to populate the different data, right? That I want to show you, right? So here you can go as a null, and here condition I can put brand name. Okay, here brand equal to address. Okay, so this brand I have, I will set as a null, right? So this is the last record, last four record, right? Okay, so now I will see again. Oh, 700 record we have. Okay, good. So let's see brand. Okay, so yeah, brand. If I go down, and we have lot of data here. So uh, you can see in real time of I don't know how much data. Yeah. So how to migrate these type of the data, right? While you migrate these type of data, anybody know how to do the this type of the data migration? Because this while I try to do, but unfortunately I stop actually. So whatever I have given the link in the chat, first you do all these things, and definitely I will tell the all step, right? So I need to create a one dummy entity, and how to migrate the brand default brand, how to set up, right? The and description, right? Sometime and one thing, very important, while you migrate the data, which date I have created the product, right? This is the created on, right? And how the same data, this is a very important question for interview purpose. The most of the time they will ask this question, ke how to terminology might be the difference, but they ask how to migrate the historical data or something, whatever the data is created. So just give me 1 minute. I'm getting one call. After that, I will connect with you. Just be online. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So most of the this is an interview question, right? Okay, how to migrate with the historical data or old created by date, and should to be same in new system, right? If you do directly, then you cannot able to do that, right? So there is a one option in Visual Studio Kingsway software, there you can migrate the same date. So these type of the things, once you do, then you should to know, okay, how to do the things, right? So and 1 minute also. Here is the image, is a some this image. I'm not sure if this image is available or not right now, but sometime we need to migrate the document or something, right? Node or PDF, how to migrate, right? These you cannot able to see anywhere on YouTube. I'm telling frankly, you can search lot of videos in data migration, right? Nobody has the too much information. They have just basic information about it. And yeah, so here is a category, right? So category ID. So I think I have one category. I will see. Let's start from category. Yeah, so category we have, right? So category we have, oh my God, 34,000 category, right? So first, before migration of the product, what we need to migrate? We need to migrate the category and also the brand, right? Two things we need to migrate. Let's see more, because I did not see it's an old database, and 2017 I was created. So okay, so and yeah, this is the unique number, product ID, right? This will not repeat, just like a primary key. So it's like a primary key for this product table. So this is not duplicate, right, guys? So let's and so brand created date and weight is a normal thing, and category ID we have. Okay, there is a one thing I have mentioned, map price, right? I don't know map price has some value or not. Okay, so I will tell you what is the map price. Map price, if you go in, it's a US based project, not for India based, right? So map price is just like you cannot able to sell product more than that price. Just like India, we call M क्या होता है यार, MSRP नहीं, कुछ तो होता है, हाँ, जो प्रिंट होता है, तो लेकिन वहां पे प्रिंट नहीं कुछ होता है, लेकिन एक यूएस की पॉलिसी है कि वी कैन नॉट एबल टू सेल मोर देन map price, right? And I have written is main product or variation product, right? So these value how to migrate, right? Just like a 0 1, how to migrate the 0 and 1, and how that will be look like in real time CRM while you do the things. So guys, whatever you have, who newly join here, they can able to see the my current chat and download the things, right? Once you download and restore the database, and you can go by entity. So I will list down here, uh, brand category, brand category, and product. Which is main product main, actually, sorry. Product main, right? So these are the three entity. So while we migrating the product main, before that we need to migrate two entity. One is a category, because category has a lot of data, right? 34. And also there is a parent category, right? This is a parent category ID, and this is the active. Active we can do in status, but how to do in status? Because we need to migrate data from different source to different source, correct? So how to set up the status there? And okay, so parent, right? So if okay, we will find this parent ID. One minute. If I found this parent ID, okay, so is it active? There should to be a. I think I done different way, right? So I will search here. So parent is a self lookup, just like we learn in account to account self lookup, right? So how to migrate self lookup here? That is a very important trick here, right? So you you got it the things what I'm telling, guys. You understood what I'm telling or not? First, you tell me this. Are you getting the things or not? You can type here actually. Damodaram, you there? I don't know who is newly joined. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So you got the things right. Okay, what we just like we have account to self account, there will be self lookup. So in while you migrate the category, right? But here is a different thing. We need to create a such thing in a database where you do this thing, and you create the entity table with the self lookup, right? And how to migrate the first we need to create the master data. Yeah, yeah, correct. That you need to, yeah, correct. So first we need to create the master data, but how to do the self lookup? So we need to create, if we migrate the product, so yeah, and create one Excel, guys, while you migrating any database, real time database. Okay, which so what should do the contain in Excel? I will tell you, because in real time uh, project project, it is a very difficult to uh, remember okay, which entity you need to run first, or which you need to run second or third, right? So you need to create one Excel. I will tell the Excel format also here. Excel, let's create a new Excel, right? Okay, you can able to see, right? So what you need to create, uh, and this thing you need to do dab UAT, and whatever the environment you have, and finally production, right? So entity name, entity name, entity name. Guys, just give me 1 minute, right? Just give me 1 minute, then I will just stopping my screen, then I will again, I'm here, not going here, just stopping the uh, Guys, I also cover a wonderful I will cover pcf control also, because pcf also is a very demanding, right? And I know how to create the pcf control and how to work on that, right? just just 1 minute, guys, just I am muting you. Entire screen, entire screen. Okay, so first we need to write the serial number. You can write, right? Serial number, entity name, and total count. So how many record entity have total count, right? And here we need to total count, success count, and success count, and failed. Success or fail, right? Because while we migrate the big data, there is a five to it depend client to client how much they want to take their they are ready to take the failed data, because sometimes if the client want 100% data, that is a very tough task to do in real time, because by millions of record, it's a while we were millions of record, there is a lot of issue will become, guys. Okay, so we need to create a fail success, and here date, or which date we need to run, or here order of entity, right? So just like we have a category, right? Category. So category we need to run order in, yeah. So we need to run two time. First we need to run order, and second time also we need to run, because otherwise how you do the self lookup? If you want to create a data from different source, then you need to do the rerun, right? Correct? If I'm not wrong, you understood this point, guys? If you want to do the because data is a different source and you need to migrate, so we need to do the self lookup. How to do? We need to first, yeah, so I will actually the I need to, I'm not able to do this thing, otherwise I will show you everything. Okay, so first level entity we need to run simple. I will write a simple, right? And second package for the same entity with the lookup for the uh, where the self lookup is required. So inside that we did not map anything, correct? And while we run the second time, that time we do the self lookup. So if you open the Kingsway software, I did not install actually, so I will share the picture here. mm, Kingsway soft Kingsway soft lookup. I will share image. They understood. Look up. This is the decimal. Wouldn't not look up here. Okay. I need to search something different video. Sorry, not different. I here the yeah. This damage. Yeah. So just like here is a system and team. Yeah. System and system user and team I did not have, but I will show the same thing we need to do in category, right? So if we want to set up here the default value, right, you can also see this link, or you can find in Google also. It's not going. I think the correct length is increasing. Okay, and anyway, it's not going. So you can search this, right? So yeah. Okay, so now we coming on again our Excel, right? So we need to run the category two times. So here is the serial one, here two. Now we coming on a brand. Third, right? And total count, suppose we have a 34, 35,000, right? If, if yeah, now the 100%, because category data, if we miss one category, then the number of the product will be excluded, right? So here the category should to migrate 100% data, not just like if the product, if we have the 10 million, yeah, 1 million product, I'm 10 lakh, then 2 and 3 product might be missing, that is a no issue. But if the category is one category is missing, then is a big blunder, right? So category we want 100% migration. Got it, guys? So sometimes the client is also know that there is a issue might be happen or not. They know because they have the old system. There is a lot of issue in their system, but they are ready. Some entity they want 100% without zero error, and some entity might be there is a product is missing. If you have the 10 lakh product, then 5 product is not matter for you. Correct, guys. So this type of the things we need to understood while we do the data migration. So category should to be 100% migration. So this should no, sorry, this should to be zero in every time, right? And date, whatever the date you have, you can run. And brand also the 100%. If you missing the one brand, then whole system will wrong. So suppose I did not check the brand actually how many brand, but we can write the query different value. How to different how unique value actually. How to retrieve unique something we can count here, I think. So yeah, in a lot of I have. Okay, so there is a number of brand, right? So brand look just like I have this brand, correct? Brand I need to select here brand equal to this, but still running. Okay, I will cancel this. So brand should to be 100% migration. So oh my god, too many brand. Okay, 10,021, right? 10,021, right? So where the my Excel 10,000, 10,020, okay, 21. So this should to be the same migration, right? Here in this customer don't want zero error. And product, if we have the product, right? So now we need to do 4, right? So this is order, right? So here order is the 3, and now we will count product, right? So oh, sorry, I in wrong table I have write down this. Yeah, guys. So whatever we have the 25 35,000 category, and we need to check how we need to check total count, also the parent one, right? So let's we will go again in database, and we will run the query for category. So category is active, right? Now how we can find a parent? So we need to okay something, okay. Okay, category category level 1 2 category level 3 4 5, right? So I think something we need to find which look here. So I need to, I think. First is a category label which does not have the data, correct? Okay, so this is a null. But parent category, how is coming here then? This is a unstructured data. In real time, while you do the migration, this type of a question is coming, okay, how to do this type of, right? They have the both type, right? So we need to total is a sorry 34. I will write down here the actual number 34 465 465, right? This we want to migrate 100%. There is a zero error, and after that product count also I will retrieve count select count. Product. I think simple count we need to write now. From okay, so these are the product, right? If client is ready, to 10, if we have the how many इकाई दहाई सैकड़ा हजार 10,000 लाख we have 2 lakh product around, right? 2 lakh में if the 5 product is missing, it is not big deal, right? So sometimes the client is ready for some entity, and I also know that data is not properly, but category or brand should be migrated properly. If they are missing, then the lot of product will be missing here to there, correct guys? So okay, so yeah, once we have the main product, then second entity we have star product variation. I think product variation. So guys, just like if you have one shirt, right? Uh, in once here also the some if sometime client told just like an Apple phone, right? The Apple product is not missing because that is a costly product. If that is a count, so we need to write the condition if this amount is greater than the 100% data migrated. If low price or low cost item, that is if not migrated, that's nothing issue. If the iPhone is missing from the product table, then it is a big issue, right, for everyone. So client also see the cost wise this if I have the data, I mean product with this cost, that should be migrate 100%. if there is a 10 rupees का कोई वैल्यू है तो उसका क्लाइंट के लिए भी नहीं है, वो सबके लिए बराबर है, राइट? कि वो माइग्रेट हो या ना हो या मिस हो गया तो वो चलेगा, लेकिन अगर आईफोन मिस कर दिया और आईफोन मिसिंग, दैट इज अ बिग फॉर एवरीवन, राइट? So these are the real time scenario, guys. You have the database, you can download this and see the things, right? I will tell most of the things also, and after that the variation, right? Variation, I think I'm not aware that you know about the e-commerce too much or not. Variation is just like uh, one product has a different color or different size, just like a t-shirt, right? So there's a size and color, right? Two type of the variation, right? So these type how to uh, migrate the data, right? So inside that I will try to find like product variation में कुछ डेटा नहीं है वो, हाँ, इस पॉसिबल है। प्रोडक्ट में कैटेगरी है, कैटेगरी प्रोडक्ट मैपिंग एडमिन कैटेगरी तो होनी चाहिए कि यार, वेरिएशन बिना वेरिएशन के कैसे हो गया प्रोडक्ट? एक मिनट रुक जाओ, ऊपरी सर्च करता हूँ मैं, एंटिटी सर्च करने का फिल्टर सेटिंग नहीं, यहाँ से नहीं हटना, फिल्टर है ना ये, filter certain content product प्रोडक्ट से जितनी भी टेबल होंगे तो वो आ जाएंगे। प्रोडक्ट ये है मेन प्रोडक्ट, प्रोडक्ट मैपिंग, प्रोडक्ट वेरिएशन ही तो डाला है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई द वैल्यू इज नॉट दैट, not contain the value. Yeah, and here is the product rating I have also created, right? So product rating should to be run after the product, correct guys? So let's, I will go in Excel again and I will do, so product migration I will write here. It it depends amount wise, right? By click किया यार। Okay, so it's depend amount wise. If amount is greater, then if amount is greater, then we need to migrate 100%. 100%. If amount is less, then might be missing. So, guys, while you retrieve the data, right? So we need to write the SQL query. If 1 minute, I will tell you. Table product mapping. I think mapping में data है क्या? Wait, guys, I will see here. Mapping में क्या है? Okay, mapping में कुछ तो है। अब मुझे भी नहीं पता, पुराना डेटाबेस है बहुत यार। वेट 1 मिनट, प्रोडक्ट वेरिएशन में देखना चाहिए। प्रोडक्ट वेरिएशन शुड टू हैव सम डेटा। आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स मिसिंग, बट आई थिंक आई नीड टू then where is the price? If I think this table has the price, वेट दिया है, प्राइस नहीं दिया, करेक्ट? तो प्राइस के लिए we are using some different table, that shows, because here is the no price, only weight is mentioned here. I don't know where that I need to search that actually. Some table which has the price. Okay, so product, right? Then is the fifth one is, okay. So this is the order is the 4, and product variation. I did not have the value, so now I can not able to. But in real time, you need to do the product variation also, right? I will dump the same value, right? And after that, just 6 table, right? So here order also 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth one, right? And after that we need to run the product mapping, right? No, rating, right? After that we need to run the product rating. So product rating is part of variation, because if you open Amazon or something like that, you can see the variation wise rating. One product has the too much rating, and some just like a phone, right? There's a two color, either golden or silver. So golden has a different rating, so we need to it is not actually the product rating, actually the product variation rating we should to do, right? I think data is not properly, because it is a dummy data, right? So okay, so I don't know the count, we have the database inside this or not. I will try. Select star from product rating. I think no data was there. as I understood. Okay, something here. Okay, that dummy data, right? So we can run the dummy data also, right? And what is the product history, right? So product history is a different entity. This will I will show the structure. Start from product history. I think inside that we have the user wise. I think we did not have the data, right? So here are the two things is a created, right? One is the product ID and product variation ID and shopping card ID, right? So shopping card ID is a unique ID is created for every time. If you go anywhere, that is a GUID. We can say that. If I open now the if I open any website, they we need to write some code where the we capture the ID session ID, right? I will show also the coding part. So in this product history ID, product ID, and count how many time that product by seen. And if user is already logged in, then it will take your name. Suppose I'm Anil Kumar, I will go and search the product. Then the record will be created here. After that, you can see that product again and again if you are scrolling any website. So they promoting the same thing. If the user is a new, then it's generating every time a new ID, right? Okay, I think okay. So you understood till here, guys? And after that, we need to do the also user, right? User, yeah, just like a user. While we create a user, we need to create a account here, right? In CRM side, right? So how to because address, right? Address lookup. I mean, composite address. It's very tough to migrate actually. That in one migration project I have done something that I did not remember, but I will try to do with you guys in whenever we done a session, right? So you need to understand how the uh, address uh, composite address is coming, correct? So if I go here, select star. User profile, right? User profile we have, right? User profile, we have a dummy some password and all these things. Okay, okay. So state, pin code. Okay, so country, like, so here the country is the different because country should to be mapped from the country, and it should to whatever the value I have, that should to be go in uh, account, right? So here is a country is a separate entity, state is a separate entity, and city is a different entity, right? So we have the before migrate the user, we need to migrate three more table, right? So three more table. Okay, so let's product rating. I did not have the count right now, right? But I will tell. Okay, so uh, so we need to first migrate the country country six number, sorry, seven, right? Or order is a six, and here is the order seven. Here eight, and state. Here order status is eight. Uh, nine, then city. It is a nine, right? And while 1 minute I, and then at user profile, then user profile is 10. Okay, guys. So these entity we need to migrate, and after that I will show something else. So this thing you understood correctly, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, how to migrate the real. Actually, I need to do the practical, but there's some issues coming, so I cannot able to do practical with you guys. But meanwhile, you understood the structure, how to do the things that I think you getting now with me. Yeah, guys, you understood, guys. Hello. Sus- sus- Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So it's not only just do the practical. First, you understood the database structure, and sometime you getting some random database. After that, you need to do the lot of effort inside that and understood and how to migrate different entities, how to create entities. That is a different thing that you can able to do. But understanding the data side, that is taking too much time. So uh, if you like the video, then I will uh, continue the next session also, or you can share your in your friend circle. So these I will just give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, so I think you like the video till now what I have explained, right? And while you do the real time data migration, um, I have one what is called image that I will share it here. I need to search that image actually. Just give me few seconds. I'm searching the image where I kept the actually data migration image screenshot I have taken somewhere, I think. Mm, not this one. I write down some step actually what we need to do during data migration, right? That I want to share with you. Not this one. Mhm. I write down somewhere some step actually. Just give me 1 minute. I will send you guys, right? So there I have uh, write down the all step, right? What we need to do the data migration. Meanwhile, you can create the entity. So now, yeah. So you need to do. I will not do anything. You need to do and tell ke from where I reached in data migration. So 1 minute. What the I will list down the task here. So you can do whenever you have time and. So I will list down here 1 minute. BS install VS 2022 and SQL and backup, backup and create entity. Create. Okay, yeah. So you need to create. You can take someone card and create a trial account and create the three entity which I have I I will post here just 1 minute. So whatever the I have here. Okay, so these entity you need to create here. So these are the entity you need to create. You can write down this category. Okay, it's coming together. Okay, but you can understand the category, brand, product variation, and product rating. then country, state, and city, and user profile. So these you can create um, create a solution. Inside that you can create a mm, mm, 9 entity, right? And after that I will tell you how to do the migration, because I also need to do with you guys. I did not pre-set up something. I can set up things and come and giving the demo, right? So you can do yourself. And I have shared the database. That is a uh, huge database actually. And data is not properly, that is also good thing for us. So I hope you can like the video guys, right? एक्चुअली कैमरा थोड़ा सा साफ नहीं है, तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश वाले जो भी हैं, तो आप लोग इतना काम कीजिए। उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिर से आएंगे कभी भी, और लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में आऊँगा, और कुछ रिकॉर्डेड नहीं है मेरे पास, ठीक है? ऐसी चीज़ें आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगी। तो नई चीज़ें होंगी, तो आप लोग को मज़ा आएगा देखने में भी, और प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे तो रियली नो वेयर द इशू इज़ कमिंग। ऐसे बताने में तो मैं 10 मिनट का वीडियो बना के खत्म कर दूँ, ठीक है? 10 मिनट लगेंगे कि हाँ ये ऐसे डेटा है, ये इसको ऐसे माइग्रेट कर दो, ऐसे ऐसे कर दो। फिर उसमें सीखने वाला वो कुछ नहीं रहता गाइस। सो वट एवर आई हैव giving the link, you can download the things, and you can create these entity. And after that SSIS package, how to download that I will also share, because if you go Kingsbase software, they asking the company ID, right? And company ID I have already downloaded. I will upload on my Google Drive. From there you can install uh, with me guys, right? So guys, आज के लिए इतना है, और whenever we connect in next time, we will do the lot of discussion. And you can also share this video if anybody want to learn, and might be they are getting the bore. That's a different case, but I know that uh, uh, it's a valuable what I have shared with you. सो गाइज आज के लिए इतना ही खत्म करते हैं वीडियो, और इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन यू कैन आस्क विद मी। लाइव चल रहा है मेरा। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन यू कैन पिंग हियर, देन आई कैन रिस्पॉन्स यू। I think nobody had the question. So guys, let's close the session here guys. Okay, bye guys. And